move the Magic Vision Control wiper blades into the service position in order to replace them. Once the wipers are in the top position, switch off the ignition. Then fold the wiper arm away from the windscreen and turn the wiper blade to move it into the service position. You can hear and feel the wiper blade lock in position. On the top side, click on the lock to release the wiper. Place padding between the wiper arm and the windscreen in order to prevent any damage. You can order the new wipers as a set. You can order unheated wiper blades using this number. Our example shows you how to replace the heated version. Here you can see the plug module for the 2 water connections and the electrical plug connections for the heating wires. Carefully clip on the wiper blade and move it until you feel and hear it unlock from the service position to the washing position. Ensure that the wiper blade can swing freely, otherwise this will result in unwiped areas on the windscreen. If the connections have slipped out of the service position, you must clip on the wiper blade and then move the wiper into and then out of the service position. Finished. The wipers once again ensure perfect vision.